Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to set your Gmail inbox to display unread emails first. If your inbox is packed and you keep missing important messages, this simple setting will save you time and keep things organized. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to update. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of the screen and tap on the menu icon, the one that looks like 3 horizontal lines. When the menu expands, scroll down and tap on Settings. You'll now see a list of all the Gmail accounts connected to your device. Tap on the email account where you want to make the change. Inside the account settings, look for the option labeled Inbox Type. This controls how your emails are sorted and displayed in your inbox. Tap on it and you'll see several layout choices, things like Default, Important First, and Starred First. What you want is Unread First. Once you select Unread First, Gmail will automatically refresh your inbox. From now on, all unread emails will appear at the top of your inbox, and the ones you've already read will move down below. This makes it so much easier to focus on new messages and clear out your unread list without digging through your entire inbox. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Gmail view to show unread emails first. It only takes a few taps, but it can make a big difference in staying on top of your messages. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out more of our quick tech tips. Simple changes like this can boost your productivity and help you keep your digital life neatly organized. Thanks for watching.